What's going on this morning, family? Black Phoenix checking in with you, man. I'm about to get my day started here in a few minutes. I'm working over here to the left at that building. I don't know how many stores it is. I think I don't know, 15 to 20 stories. We're doing the staircases inside the building, installing them, welding them out. Pretty much what we're doing, putting the handrails in on the stairs. And both sides, they got two sides, they got a left and a right, so we're doing both sides, and I feel like we're going to be here for at least a good month or more. I think they say they already been here for about a month already, so I'm looking like they at least got another month or so of work. But I wanted to say something real quick. Always think outside of the box. You know, when you network on yourself, don't put yourself in a box and thinking you only got to get a bag in one way. Network with other companies who get in the bag. They can help you get one. Hold on.